Hello friends, today I am going to show you properties of different types of pyramids. So first we'll see triangular pyramid. Here is triangular pyramid. First we'll see vertex. Vertex means corner or point. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vertices. And face. The flat surface is called face. 1, 2, 3 and 4 faces. And edge where 2 points meets is called an edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 edges. Then we'll see square pyramid. Here is the points or vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 faces. These flat surfaces are called face. And edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It has 8 edges. Then rectangular pyramid. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges and faces 1, 2, 3, 4 and the bottom one is 5. It has 5 faces. Then pentagonal pyramid. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 vertices. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 edges and faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and bottom one is 6. It has 6 faces. Then hexagonal pyramid. It has vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 vertices. Then edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges and faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 faces. Thank you.